Hello again, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back to the Gloomhaven Sprawl set from Warcradle Scenics, and today we're going to be making up, let's bring it up, this one. Oh, got a little squeaker. She's just managed to sneak her way in. Hello, Poppy. Little sneak. Yes, and I think we'll be jazzing this bad boy up. We'll be using the wall painter tufts as well as a lot of clumping foliage, I suspect. I'm going to fire up a time lapse of me assembling this, and I'll be back once it's all done. See you again soon. Bye for now. Say bye, Poppy. Or don't. There we go. Bye. Hello again, and we're back. And look at all these push-outs and spares we got. Nothing in the instructions for these bits, so I'll keep these for another project. Lots of nice big jaggy bits that we can use for future Orky type builds. So that's great. And here's a bad boy all done up. And I'm pretty damn happy with it. We've used a white stipple of paint over the top, just with a massive brush, just to give it a little bit more, kind of accentuate some of these textures. We've then gone with a wash, just on the undersides of many a part, and to help accentuate some of these planks and things as well. And of course we've added a myriad of tufts from the Warpainter Scenics, as well as our homemade sponge flock. Yes, I'm pretty happy overall. It's turned out quite nicely. These floors are meant to be detachable, but I've just glued them all in place because, you know, it's a good thing to do. But that's all I've got for you today, so thanks for watching, and bye.